Hi guys, welcome. I've put in the SSD of ArcoLinux. So it always makes sense if you have an Arch-based distro like ArchCraft or any of the Arches, right? EndeavourOS, Garou, and so on, or ArcoLinux, to have an SSD lying around with the pure Arch, with the Arch installed, and then you do your thing. So basically, this isn't a computer that's a little bit designed and tweaked, but it's Plasma, right? It's just Arch with Plasma, and that's all it is. Why I'm here? Well, first of all, this is the ISO where I just show you can keep installing things. If we start 2020, right? This is an SSD of January the 2nd, 2020. So 20, 21, 22, 23. Keep rolling, keep updating. And the last update I've done was November the 30th. And why am I here? Well, there is an update of mkinitcpio from Arch that is prohibiting or preventing the installation of the ArcoLinux XANMod kernel ISO. So XANMod is out for the moment, and we have replaced it with hardened ISO. So I'm here to install the XANMod kernel on a pure Arch system and see if we get the same issue, the same message that the kernel configuration or something like that was not completed or is failing something, is missing something. And of course Calamari says there has been an error and everything stops. So first of all, let's keep updating, keep rolling. For 4 years already. And keep documenting the knowledge that you need to maintain an ArcoLinux system. Any ArcoLinux system. There might be some things you need to know when on EndeavourOS or when on ArchCraft or when on, right? The when ons, guys, is this, Control-T, ATT, not installed. So if I want, I can install the ArcoLinux tweak tool. Let's take the Git version, not the development version. And then you see a long list of all the elements that, well, all the distributions, the Arch-based distributions that you can learn, master, test, and finally use as your default. I have VirtualBox installed, I see in this one. And it's the pure Linux kernel, nothing fancy. Linux LTS Zen hardened. Here we still have the console font issue. I think that would be solved with the new mkinitcpio thing, but doesn't matter, right? It's just a warning, it doesn't really matter at all. So if I wanted to show you ArcoLinux tweak tool, what can you learn? These guys, right? These are the guys, they're all based on Arch, and you can have a look at it and see, okay, how do those guys work and maintain and update and install stuff, all that. All right, yeah, so I'm actually here. Normally I would reboot, but just let's see, and now we are. Oh la 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 la. linux-xanmod, right? Is that available? We have it on the repo extra large, so yes. Do I need headers? Well, for the VirtualBox, maybe. But I'm just here to see, is there an error? Yes, okay, done. And that will be that. And we'll wait for a new mkinitcpio from Arch. We can downgrade it and then it works, but hey, moving forward and not backwards in time. So let's see, the first one is here. It's already there. Warning, errors were encountered during the build. This animation, it is complete, right? Error, it is working. I can reboot inside xanmod, but Calamares says, hey, there was an error, so no can do. So now we know it happens on Arch 2. Oops, what's T? So next to T is R, and away it goes again. Not sure if he did everything in the sense of update grub thing. So let's do that. Et voila, that's all I wanted to know. Xanmod's shows an error, and hence Calamares says, oops, nope, no can do. All right, cheers.